Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you had a nice night and you are awake and ready to get moving for the day. Um, Today is Wednesday, April 15th. Um, I hope that you had a nice night, and here are our announcements for the day. Um, Couple things. I started emailing a lot of you yesterday to meet for our individual student check-ins, and I had one student out of five show up yesterday. So when you get that email the night before, please, please, please double check your schedule. And if that doesn't work for you, let me know and we can change that. I want to have those check-in meetings, and I'm trying to have those discussions with you. So make sure to check your email and your Schoolage email. Um, Daily check-in today. Make sure and reply to that. Your math course, as always, check in your math course. Make sure to go to your math course because I would like everyone to make sure that they have checked in with their math teacher. Um, Reading core today. We're going to do 30 minutes of our personal choice book. And then we should have at least 6 posts in our real-time journal up to this point. If you have more, that's awesome. I am trying to work through right now and respond to your journal entries. I would like to say that there's a big difference in I've just noticed the writing piece because there are kids who are kind of doing the bare minimum and just writing a sentence, and there are also kids who are writing a full page of handwritten writing. If you take the time to sit and write and truly try and get your thoughts on paper and spend that time, it's going to be a lot more helpful in the long run for you. So let's try and get a little more than like 2 sentences because from a handful of us, that's all I'm getting is a sentence in our journals. Woods Runner Chapter 4. There's also a discussion post that you will be answering and replying to today. And then our Wonder Bubble, who is Samuel Adams, is due on Friday. So don't leave that for the last moment. I know in social studies and science, we've been learning a lot about the Revolutionary War and that kind of thing. And we read our story last week that was in Then What Paul Revere. So we know what life was like during that time, but you're going to have to take that time to go through that resources folder in our Wonder Bubble assignment to just find out a little bit more about who Samuel Adams was. There are examples in that folder, and also I know that there have been some that have already been posted and turned in, which is awesome. Social studies today. No real social studies lesson. If you did not finish your notes and watching the video from yesterday about the French and Indian War, I would definitely like you to do that. And then science. Today we are going to move past the lab in the About Force lesson in Discovery Education. We are going to go on to the second part of that. And I will make sure to include a video so that we all know where that information is posted. There is no face-to-face meeting today. Our next one will be tomorrow, Thursday, on our Science Force Lab that we did last week and we'll be working on today. On my office hours, 10 to 11, the code is there. Individual student check-ins today. You should know because I already sent you an email yesterday. Millie's at 11:30, Allison is at 11:40, Catalina is 11:50, Nolan is 12, Yusuf is 12:10, and Damien is 12:20. If you are somebody who misses one of these meetings, just because you had something else going on or you just didn't show up, I put the ball in your court and I emailed you and kind of attached your parents to that email as well. So please, please, please get back in touch. I need to make sure that I want to be able to talk to everybody individually each week. And if we can't, get in touch, I'm not ever going to know what you need help with or how I can help improve this experience for you guys. So please get in touch if you need me. Email Schoology, and I will get back to you ASAP. I hope you all have a nice day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.